What's going on, everybody? This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. As you guys can see right now, viewing our new website, I'm going to put the link under on the video here. But I just want you guys to see the website. It's up and running. Everything is set. Um, there's a lot of stuff that we'll be putting on as content. Let me just explain the features of this website, right? Especially for the students. Number one, it has a chat section, more like WhatsApp. Secondly, it has um, a platform for you to see my MT4 platform and follow my threads. If you want to be following my threads, it has a live place where I'll be doing my live sessions at. It has a place where there is webinars that I've done before and webinars that I'll be doing anytime from now. I think the ones that I did before, we might remove them because we're just going to upload them for a short while, but we'll remove them. So for my current students, that will be a great advantage. But it will have us the webinars and the session that I'll be doing from there onwards, you know. And for those of you guys who are not my mentees or whatever, if you want to register, you see a website link there is just on the top there, forexrockstar.online. You come here to courses, and then the next thing that you do obviously is you subscribe, you buy either of the two packages that are there, and then it will give you access, and immediately I'll be notified and will contact you. You'll be given access even to the website. Everything is there, guys. There's never been anybody who's doing what I'm doing now, and I'm hoping it helps everybody. So you see, it is what it is. And also, guys, there's been a lot of people scamming people under my name, you know. All our social networks platforms are down here. It also has a platform for you guys to ask me questions and subscribe as well to be receiving tips and you know, just notifications from me directly for my desk. So it's gonna help even those of you guys who haven't had anything, you have not registered. Sometime I'll be doing live sessions and I'll be doing them online for free for everybody. It's a whole lot of services and offers. You see even their testimonies right over there. You can see the testimonies of my previous students, my mentees, my current mentees, and all that stuff. It has a lot of stuff there. So as soon as you are logged in and you have registered, you have an account with us, you'll be getting a lot of stuff, live sessions, live trading opportunities with me, and a whole lot of stuff. I'll be trading 2 times a day mainly and doing all that stuff. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, signing out.